Alright, so this is the first episode with the FK8, and we have decided to take a closer look at this rear engine mount. The problem with the Civic, especially nowadays when they have a fairly amount of power, is that when you accelerate hard in first gear, you might notice that you get some stuttering. And the root cause of that is the bushings in this mount. They are fairly soft. Now Hasport, they have developed this very beautiful piece of aluminum mount with much heavier bushings. So we will replace this part to the Hasport one and show you the difference. So we will simply just loosen this bolt here, and after doing that we will loosen the other bolt here and simply just slide out the mount this way, forward. And the rear bolt. And with the front bolt still sitting in here, you should just be able to slide out the whole mount this way. With the bolt inserted here, we will also need to tilt the engine a little bit forward with the help of this one to be able to put in the new engine mount. So now you just pre-tighten that one a little bit, put up the rear bolt, make sure that it will go nice and easy so you don't want to break any threads in here, and then you tighten the rear one, and then just tighten the front one, and then it's just to do everything backwards to assemble everything again. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and do a quick oil change on this FK8. It's important to have fresh oil, especially in this case where the owner is going for a track day. So it's very easy. The engine oil drain plug is here. We will remove that and the engine oil will come out. Then we will install a new washer. The oil filter is this one here. So we will take that one off and have that one changed as well. All right. Det var bra. Ja.